Do you want to learn more about the real Belize and listen to locals and expat stories that are actually living here in Belize? Well, you're in the right place right now. You're listening to Belize Talk Radio, and I'm your host, Macarena Rose.
Crop, right? If he gets dropped, then hey, I don't know. Y'all forgot about Salih. Okay, get ready now. Get ready now. Get ready now. 1, 2, 3. When she wind it up, just give me a answer. Everybody amazing. The way she sexy. The way she wind it up, feel a answer. Everybody amazing. The way she sexy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to do some more chicken drop. $100 extra drinking money's on the line. This is round number 5. Color tickets, orange. Now, I got a special guest in the house tonight. We got Macarena Rose. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? I tell you, right? So tell me something, where you from?
I'm actually from the United States, but I've lived in Belize 12 years.
Oh, whoa, I like it. What part of Belize you living in?
In San Ignacio.
Hey, I just moved there. I love it. I love San Ignacio, by the way, ladies and gentlemen.
You are ready.
I tell you. So, what's special tonight about you being here with us on this beautiful island?
Well, we're taking this whole incredible event to the Belize Talk Radio, and we're going to share it with the world because it's a really fun event.
Real deal, real deal. So we've got Belize Talk Radio with us. It's an online radio. Where can the people find us online?
You can just find us by Googling Belize Talk Radio. It's really easy to find.
Real deal, I like it. So remember, Google Belize Talk Radio. You probably can get a viewing of this shit, right?
Oh yeah.
Totally. Yeah, I like it.
So if you're doing anything you're not supposed to be, or here not doing with the people you're supposed to be doing it with, just stay out of the view.
I remember. That was a nice disclaimer. Remember, what happens on the beach stays on the beach. We like it. So, can you? Hey, DJ Kevin. Lord. All right. So,
Chicken security, bring out that chicken!
that work with the work. Lord, that not chicken with it, John. Scary. Give me a heart attack. Macarena Rose, I have a big rooster. He is the biggest rooster in all of Ambergris Caye. Around here we call him the Big Johnson. Hold on. Might I ask you, can you handle the Big Johnson?
I will do my very best to make you proud, Barrington.
Wicked, I like it. Bring out the Big Johnson, ladies and gentlemen. Big Johnson the rooster. You gotta hold him up in the air. Hold him up in the air. Yeah, you split. Lure, not floor. All right. What you're about to do with the Big Johnson is really important. I want you to swing the Big Johnson around in a circle, just like that. Big swing. DJ Kev. Swing it. There we go. Keep on swinging. Swing the Big Johnson. All right. Right there. Now you're going to shake Big Johnson up and down. You ready? Hold the wings. Security! All right. Right there. Now you're going to blow the Big Johnson's butt for good luck. Totally. Was that a good blow? No! Was that? Hey. It's not me. One more blow. Drop that chicken, girl. It's on. Ladies and gentlemen, take your numbers out. Take your orange tickets out. And everybody make some noise.
the world famous chicken drop. All over 81. $100 is on the line. This is the world famous chicken drop. Number 67. Moving around. World famous. Uh-oh. It will go down. 66. Moving around. 18. Yeah, you gotta talk to this rooster, man. You know what? Get ready for the Cupid Shuffle.
January 2nd,
$100 is on the line. 36 is looking lucky. Belize Talk Radio. Hey! It will go down, it will go down, it always do. Look. We've got our first splitter shitter of the evening. Yeah, it's considered a splitter shitter, right? 56 and 36. Who's holding on to them numbers? 56. Yeah, these guys gotta clean that shit up.
Clean up your own shit. I'm over here on 56.
Totally. All right, there we go. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, now that this shit is taken, you can go collect yourself $50 each. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena.